Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to change name on ELSA Speak app. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and tap open your ELSA Speak application from the app drawer. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on your name at the top. This will open up the settings tab. Tap on edit your profile right under your name and tap the edit button right next to your name. Now you can easily type in the new name you'd like to change to and tap on done. Tap on the done button at the bottom of the screen again and tap OK to save the changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your ELSA Speak name changed right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.